So now we are going to draw one landscape, okay? And this is the easiest drawing ever we have done in the class or as a homework. See, triangle, triangle, and a straight line. Till here it's easy. Then see, here also straight line, slanting line, slanting line, join it. Okay, and after this, triangle, straight line, curve. Okay, then I will draw over here circle shape like this. Okay, and then the shape like this, and one more shape like this. Now over here shape, shape. It's very easy. See, I'm just showing you. And now just draw one straight line from here. Okay, and after this what you have to do, just see, from here I'm going to draw the land. Okay, so it's very easy. One sun from here, you can draw the sun, one. Okay, so now it's the outline is over. Okay, so we are going to start coloring now. See, so the sun is just rising, so it will be red in color. Okay, primary red. Do the primary red in color and make your drawing light before coloring. Okay, I'm just not making my drawing lighter, because if I make my drawing lighter now, you'll not able to see it properly. So that's why I'm not making my drawing lighter. Okay, now I'm just taking the deep yellow. Okay, I'm just taking the deep yellow. I'm just doing from here. Okay, deep yellow, then I will do the medium yellow. Okay, I will do over here the medium yellow. One of the easiest drawing ever we have done till yet. So after medium yellow I'm going to use the lemon yellow. And in the top now, see, I'm going to do the Persian blue from the top. Then I will take the dark violet. I will do the dark violet little bit. Then after dark violet I'm going to do the medium one, the normal violet. Violet number is D451. Okay, and after that I'm going to use the light violet. And then after that I'm going to use the sky blue. Okay, the sky blue color like this. And then with the light yellow, okay, with the light yellow I will blend both the yellow and blue color together. Just I will join it. Okay, both the color. Don't do yellow in the blue color, otherwise it will become the green color. Blue and green, blue and yellow, it become green na? That's why. Okay, now see, from here I'm going to use the little bit dark shade, means I will make it little bit different kind of mountain. Okay, so I will take black color, do the black color like this from here. and I will do the black color over here. Okay, and then do the dark brown. Okay, do the dark brown color over here like this. The dark brown, and over here also I'm just going to use the dark brown color. Okay, it's in dark brown, and means you have to blend the black also properly. Okay, and then that with the normal brown D028 normal brown, just I will blend the dark brown over here like this, and over here also I will blend it. Then I will blend it with the brand sienna. Okay, with the brand sienna, just blending with the brand sienna, and after that I will take the light brown number is D244 light brown. Okay, with the light brown I will just do it full over here like this, fully blend it fully. Okay, you have to blend it, don't leave any gap, blend it properly. Okay, now see, after we finish this one, now what you have to do, I will take the primary red for doing this line like this, straight, the sun line, the sun reflection of the sun, and then I'm going to do the deep yellow. See, because the water always reflect the sun line, means the sky portion, that's why. And I will take the cremine color and do some lining over here. Okay, so it's become like deeper, and some line like this, and then I will use the medium yellow and after that what you have to do, I will take the lemon yellow, will blend it over here like this, and now first I will make this boat lighter. Okay, I will make this human boat lighter so that I can do the water properly first. Okay, and now see, after this what you have to do, I will take the light blue. Okay, I will take the light blue to start blending from here. Okay, from here you can leave some space also, because water have shiny portion now, that's why. See, after this lining what you have to do, see, just I have not done any color inside that boat. Okay, then after light blue I will take the brilliant blue. Okay, I will take the brilliant blue, will do some lining like this. I'm just doing some lining, straight lining. Okay, and after that I'm just going to take the Persian blue color. Okay, Persian blue, the darkest blue you have, I'm going to do it over here. and then I will take the light blue. Okay, I will blend it, this portion properly, the bottom one, with the light blue. You have to blend it properly. Okay, each and every portion you have to blend it properly. And now see, just after this I will take the black color. Okay, I will take the black color and I will do the boat first. Okay, with the black color I'm just doing the with the black color. Just I will fill it fully. And over here this portion now, do some black linings over here like this and over here, and blend it with the cremine. This part with cremine, this part also. And now what you have to do, see, just after doing the black color over here also I will do, means whatever the shape you have done, first the U shape, the circle part, then the one U shape over here and over here, then one over here and one over here, then the straight line you have drawn, and the shadow of the boat we will do, the shadow with the light pressure. Okay, do this part now with very light pressure, then it will look good. Okay, and then after this what you have to do, so it's very simple. Just I will take the deep green and I will do the deep green over here like this first. I'm just using this one, the Persian green. Okay, it's in Persian green color. Then I will blend the Persian green with the deep green, and after deep green I'm going to use the leaf green. Okay, leaf green, I'm just doing the leaf green over here. And the next color what should I use? The light green. Right, very good. You have to use the light green. Just over here I'm going to use the light green color. So then I will take the yellow ochre, sorry, deep yellow. I'm just doing over here the deep yellow, over here the deep yellow, and over here the deep yellow, and little bit over here. Then I will take the sap green. Okay, with the sap green just I'm going to do the long grasses. Okay, long grasses with the sap green. Then with the Persian blue I will take the Persian blue color, and with the Persian blue I will do some lining, and with the yellow green, okay, yellow green, some linings, and then with the black color last. With give very light pressure and do the curve lining with the one way stroke, means just put it over here and one stroke like this. Okay, just do the strokes, it will become the grasses. Okay, so now I will give this on the border. See, over here a little bit, with the black only, black color only. Okay, so now your drawing is ready. So it's very simple drawing now. So do it, try to do it. Okay.